Open palm kettlebell clean. The open palm kettlebell clean is a slightly advanced exercise. It's actually going to have the kettlebell at one point leave your entire hand, so it's going to be completely out of control. So you really shouldn't try this unless you're more advanced and you've had a lot of experience working with kettlebells. I'm going to stand with my feet about hip width apart and bring the kettlebell down. We're going to go down in between our legs. Now, just with any kettlebell exercise, you're allowed to get a little swing in it. So you're going to swing down, bring it up, and you're going to kind of pop it up and catch. Down, swing, up and catch. Down, swing, up and catch at the shoulder. All right. Going from a side view. Going to swing down under our legs, up and catch, swing, up and catch. It's a great total body exercise. You're going to work your arms, your shoulders, your core, and your legs all at the same time.